everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, my mom is going to be making this yummy and tasty bottle gourd kheer. Instead of using samia or rice, we're going to be using bottle gourd. It's a very nice recipe. And I know you're hungry right now. This video is for you. For this bottle gourd kheer recipe, the ingredients you'll be needing is 1 cup of shredded bottle gourd. We'll show you how to make this later in the video. Keep watching. You need 1/3 cup of sugar. You can use condensed milk or jaggery. Here we have an assortment of mixed nuts. We have cashews, almonds, walnuts, and raisins. And we have a spoon of elaichi powder. And then we have 3 cups of milk and some ghee. Those are the ingredients for this bottle gourd kheer.
Today we are going to make a bottle gourd kheer. This is the one bottle gourd. In Tamil it's called sorakkai. But we are not going to use this full portion. I am going to take off of this. Then I am going to cut it off and peel the skin. I am going to peel the skin. Then cut the edges, cut it into half. We need to remove the seeds and white part. Only we need the green part. So just remove all the seeds. The same way here. Then using grater, we are going to grate this.
The first thing we need to do is add some ghee to a pan. 2 tablespoons of ghee. And then you will add all the nuts and wait for it to turn golden brown. Meanwhile, take a saucepan and pour the milk into it and wait for it to boil or for the quantity to go to half. Now our dry nuts are ready. We're going to add the raisins and salt. Now our nuts are ready. We're going to transfer this into a bowl. After that, in the same pan, we're going to add our bottle gourd and just mix until there is no raw smell. Now our bottle gourd is ready. It took around 5 to 7 minutes for the raw smell to go away. Now our milk is reduced to half, and then we add the sugar and we mix. We mixed it for a brief 2 minutes, and now we're going to add the bottle gourd and mix well. This process will take about 7 to 8 minutes. And now our kheer is ready. If you want, you can have it more thicker or you can stop now. The main 2 things that you should remember is that you should use full fat milk to get the same thickness and consistency. And the second thing is that you need to boil the milk until it reduces to half. Then you'll have the right thickness for this kheer. And now we're going to add our elaichi powder and our nuts and mix. Switch off the flame and your kheer is ready. And now Our yummy, healthy bottle guard kheer is ready. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like it, please like and share with your friends so they can enjoy the same taste that you had. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I make a video. Hope you guys stay safe. Peace.